All right, guys, this is the last section of the review, which is graphing parallel lines. Graphing parallel lines is neat because two parallel lines have the same exact slope. So when I think about y equals mx plus b, if two lines are parallel, their m's going to be the same, but their b is going to be different. If their b was the same, they would be the same exact line, but we actually want two parallel lines, so their b has to be different. So for example, if I have y equals 2x plus 1, okay, with a slope of 2, a parallel line would be y equals 2x plus 2, or y equals 2x plus 3, or y equals 2x minus 1000. It does not matter what b is. The slope, that 2 has to be the same. If they have the same slope, they are parallel. So when we're doing these problems, all we need to focus on is the same slope. And you may not have the same answer as somebody else, but that's okay. So if we are going to graph a line that is parallel to the given line, and we have to determine the slope of the given line and the one you graphed in simplest form. Click and drag on the graph to draw a line. Okay, so we have to click and drag to plot a parallel line. And the line will change colors when it's parallel. So that even helps us out and lets us know that it's a parallel line. So if I look at this one crosses at -3, so I need to pick another spot. It doesn't matter where. So let's say I pick 1. I'm going to start at 1. And I want to draw a parallel line. Okay. Oh, there's my parallel line. So I clicked and I dragged and I made two parallel lines. So now I've got to find the slope. And if I go to the original, I want to find 2 points along the line. There's one there. The next one is up there. So I'm going to draw my triangle. I'm going to go up 1, right 2. Okay. And my green line should also have the same slope. I can double check that, which is up 1, right 2. So in this case, my slope is going to be 1/2. And notice it is asking you what's the original and what's the parallel slope. So I should have the same exact answer for both of them. Half for both of them, and I can submit my answer. Okay, so both of them have an original and a parallel slope of half. All right, so I need to go back and pick the next section. And we're going to do one more different one. Graph parallel and perpendicular lines, it says, but it's really the same thing. It says graph a line that is parallel to the given line, determine the slope of the given line, and the one you graphed in simplest form. So I'm going to do the exact same thing again. Now this time you'll notice my line is going downhill, so it's going to have a negative slope. So I have to make sure that my new line also has a negative slope. Does not matter where you start. Let's say we start at 2. Oops. And I'm going to drag out from there. I just have to make it parallel. It even shows me when it's parallel. Well, maybe. There we go. Okay. So, and by doing that, I almost have the slope already because it gave me a point to use. So I could have found the slope first and then graphed my line. Either way, they have to have the same slope. So I'm going to look at the blue and I'll pick 2 points that are on the corners. I'm going to go down 1, right 4. So my slope is down 1, right 4. I can check the green line also. I'm going to go down 1, right 4. So both of them should have that slope of -1/4. And you'll notice once again they want me to type the slope of both. And they have to be the same. And they are the same. So they are parallel. Okay.